Hello guys, today marks me day one the operation of Komatsu 210 PC. As you can see, this is an excavator. I am a beginner, right? I will show you the interior of this 210 PC. Today marks me day one in the operation of this 210, right? And let me turn the camera to the, as you can see, this 210 PC. Let me show you the interior. These are the levers. See, these are the trackpad. Here is the footrest, and that one, if we have the hammer, we can use this one, right? But this one, the bucket is connected. As for now, we use the levers. This is an interior. This is the interior, right? We have the screen. And here is the speed limit, and here is the power mode, and this one is also the track on how to move the track faster, that is to increase the speed limit. And this one is the wiper. This one is the AC system. Here is to increase also for the AC, right? Okay, as you can see, I am a beginner and I am going to start a full tutorial of an excavator operator. And as you can see, thank you very much, guys. Stay cool. As you can see,